My assignment on schistosomes. The schistosome, also known as a blood fluke, is a trematode. It is a type of parasitic flatworm which infects the intestines. The oral and ventral suckers are used for attachment to the host tissues. The mouth is used to drink blood. The gynecophoric canal is where the female lives inside the male, receiving nutrients and sperm to fertilize the eggs. The digestive system is composed of an esophagus and intestine, which breaks down and absorbs nutrients from the blood it consumes. They also have a sexual reproductive system, respective to each sex. The blood fluke, unlike most other flatworms, are not hermaphroditic. They have individual sexes, male and female. Another special characteristic is that male blood flukes have what's called the gynecophoric canal, in which the female lives. Furthermore, as they lack an anus, they regurgitate their waste products. The intermediate host where asexual reproduction occurs is in freshwater snails, typically those of the Bionfilaria genus. The primary hosts of blood flukes are humans. The blood fluke eggs are passed in human stool and urine. In water, the larvae known as Miracidia hatches from these eggs and infect a snail. In the snail, sporocysts develop from the Miracidia. When released from the snail, the sporocysts become Cercariae, which eventually penetrates a human when coming into contact with them in the water, drilling into their skin. During penetration of the skin, the schistosomula develop from the Cercariae, which then migrate to the liver to mature. The adult worms then pair and migrate to the veins in the bladder or intestine, where schistosomes lay their eggs. Schistosomes need to be able to avoid the host's immune response. Adult schistosomes use the antigens from the host to coat their outer tegument, which allows them to avoid detection from the body's immune system. Moreover, the shedding of these antigens can also help schistosomes avoid detection. When detected by the body's immune system, schistosomes can shed their antigen coat and send it out as decoys. The disease caused by schistosomes is called schistosomiasis. Schistosomiasis is both a chronic and acute disease which can have significant impacts. It is known under several names, some of which include Bilharzia, snail fever, and Katayama fever. The intestines of the urinary tract become infected. Some symptoms are diarrhea, abdominal pain, blood in urine, or bloody stool.
Created using Powtoon.